Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your TikTok videos without any watermark using your smartphone. Hi, this is Neil. Now, first of all, please log into your TikTok account. Once you log into your TikTok account, this is where you want to actually click on your profile, which is you can see over here. So once you click on the profile, you can download any of your videos to your phone. Otherwise, you can actually download any other people's videos from your homepage here. But for this case, I'm going to download videos that is in my TikTok library. So I'm going to download this video example. I'm going to tap on that. And make sure this video is public. If this video is not public, example, if they are in the draft, you will not able to download it. So make sure it's not draft, make sure it is public. I'm going to tap on this. I'm going to tap on these three little dots here, as you can see over here. I'm going to tap on the three dots. Okay, next is I'm going to tap on this copy link here, as you can see here. Tap on that, tap on copy link. Now next is to go to your browser and look for this ssstik.io. I'm going to put this link below or above of this video. So go ahead and click on that link. Now once you come to this page, just insert your link over here. Okay, paste the link here, then tap on download. Alright, so now we're going to scroll down and then you're going to tap on this without watermark. I'm going to close this app. I'm going to click on download. And you can see there's one little arrow key here. Your arrow key download could be on the bottom or it could be on the top. For Androids, I believe it's on the top, but for iPhones, it will be on the bottom here. So you're going to tap on that. And I'm going to tap on downloads here. And you can see I have videos here that I've downloaded. So you're going to tap on that as well. And here you can see there is this arrow key here. I'm going to tap on that. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to tap on save the video to my phone. So I'm going to tap on that. And now it is saved into my photos library. As you can see this, see that? There is no watermark at all in this video that I've downloaded from TikTok. So that is all for this video, and this is 101, and I'll see you in the next one.